Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix GCash failed login attempt problem. Alright, let's begin. First, open your phone's Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Use the search bar to find GCash app, then open it. Scroll down, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Once that's done, go back to the app information page and tap Force. Stop, then confirm by tapping OK. If the problem continues, open any web browser and search for GCash Support 247. Open the official GCash support website from the search results. From there, you can browse the Help Center for solutions related to your login error, chat with a support representative, or contact a live support agent. If you need immediate assistance, use the provided Globe landline or the internet calling option to reach GCash support for free. That's it for this video. Thanks.